Good morning, my wonderful friends. I hope you are feeling happy, healthy, and full of hope today. May your day be filled with peace, kindness, and many opportunities to learn something new. Thank you for spending a little part of your day with me. I'm very excited that we can practice English together once again. Today, we are going to talk about a topic that everyone knows very well. We will learn how to describe a house in simple and natural English. You will hear useful words, easy sentences, and everyday expressions that you can use in real conversations. By the end of this lesson, you will feel more confident when you want to tell someone about your home. Before we begin, please take a second to support this channel. Subscribe if you enjoy learning English with me. Give this video a like if it helps you and share it with your friends or family who are learning English too. Your support encourages us to create more lessons for you every week. Now, let's begin today's lesson. First, let me tell you about my house. I live in a small but comfortable house. It is not very big, but it is warm, clean, and peaceful. Every room has its own purpose, and every corner reminds me of happy memories. When I come home after a busy day, I always feel relaxed. My house is the place where I can rest, smile, and spend time with the people I love. Outside the house, there are a few green plants. I enjoy watering them every morning. The fresh air makes the whole place feel calm. Sometimes I stand outside for a few minutes before I go inside. It helps me clear my mind and start the evening with a good feeling. Now, let us step inside the house. The first room you can see is the living room. The living room is bright and welcoming. There is a soft sofa near the window, a small coffee table stands in front of it, a television is on the wall, and a bookshelf is in one corner. My family gathers here every evening. We watch movies, talk about our day, and laugh together. The living room is more than just a place to sit, it is where we share stories and create beautiful memories. Sometimes we play simple games together, sometimes we enjoy a cup of tea while listening to music. Even when we are quiet, it feels comfortable because we are together. Here are a few useful words and phrases. Living room. Comfortable. Gather together. Spend time together. Feel at home. These expressions sound very natural in everyday English. I especially like the phrase feel at home. It means you are relaxed and comfortable. Let me say it one more time. Feel at home, it is a wonderful expression to remember. Next, let us visit the kitchen. The kitchen is one of the busiest places in my house. Every morning, someone is preparing breakfast. The smell of fresh bread and hot coffee fills the room. In the evening, my family cooks dinner together. We wash vegetables, cut fruit, and prepare simple meals. I enjoy helping in the kitchen because cooking is fun. It is also a great chance to talk with my family. While we cook, we share stories about school, work, and our plans. Even simple meals become special when everyone works together. The kitchen is always clean and organized. The dishes are in the cupboard, the refrigerator keeps our food fresh. Everything has its own place, so it is easy to find what we need. Here are some useful words and phrases. Kitchen. Cook dinner. Prepare a meal. Keep things clean. Work together. I really like the phrase prepare a meal. It sounds polite and natural. Let us hear it again. Prepare a meal. It is an excellent phrase that native speakers use very often. After that, let me show you my bedroom. My bedroom is my quiet place. It is not large, but it has everything I need. There is a comfortable bed beside the wall. A small desk stands near the window. I keep my books on a shelf, and my lamp gives a soft light when I read at night. Every evening, I spend some quiet time in my bedroom. I read a book, listen to relaxing music, or write in my notebook. Sometimes I simply sit by the window and watch the sky change color as the sun goes down. And I always try to keep my bedroom clean. I make my bed every morning. I put my clothes in the closet. A tidy room helps me feel calm and ready for the next day. Here are some useful words and phrases. Bedroom. Make the bed. Read a book. Go to sleep. Stay organized. I think make the bed is a fantastic daily expression. It is short, simple, and very common. Let us repeat it once more. Make the bed. You will hear this phrase almost every day in English. Now, let me tell you about my favorite place in the house. My favorite place is a small chair beside the living room window. It is simple, but it means a lot to me. Every morning, I sit there with a warm drink. I enjoy the sunshine and the fresh air. It is the perfect place to think, relax, or plan my day. On rainy afternoons, I like to read there. I can hear the sound of the rain outside while I enjoy a good story. It is peaceful and comforting. Sometimes I do nothing at all. I simply sit quietly and enjoy the moment. Everyone has a favorite place at home. It does not have to be expensive or beautiful. What matters most is how it makes you feel. A small corner can become a special place if it brings you happiness. Here are a few more useful expressions. Favorite place. Enjoy the sunshine. Fresh air. Relax for a while. Feel peaceful. These are beautiful expressions for everyday conversations. I especially love the phrase relax for a while. It sounds warm and friendly. Let me say it once again. Relax for a while. It is a lovely expression to add to your English. Finally, let us review what we learned today. We talked about a house and the different rooms inside it. We learned about the living room, the kitchen, and the bedroom. We also practiced useful words and natural phrases that you can use when describing your own home. Now I have a small challenge for you. Try to describe your house in English. Tell us how many rooms you have. Which room do you like the most? What do you usually do there? Even a few simple sentences are excellent practice. The more you speak, the more confident you will become. Thank you very much for learning with me today. I truly appreciate your time, your effort, and your passion for improving your English. Every lesson you finish brings you one step closer to speaking English with confidence. If you enjoyed this lesson, please subscribe to the channel, give this video a like, and share it with your friends who are learning English. Your support helps this community continue to grow, and it allows us to create many more lessons for learners around the world. Take good care of yourself, keep practicing a little every day, and I look forward to learning with you again very soon. Have a peaceful day, and see you in the next lesson.